Hello, my name is Landon Doss and I'm a senior from Santo Academy.
And I'm Colin Doss, a sophomore at Oxford Academy.
And we are the creators of BioLure.
We have both been fishing our whole lives, and most every time we go out to fish, we see plastic lures littering the beaches and shores of our favorite spots. Every year, thousands of pounds of soft plastic lures are either lost or disposed of in the ocean, and are either consumed by marine life or release harmful toxins into aquatic environments. This causes massive problems, not only for wildlife in the oceans, but also for any humans that consume seafood that may be contaminated with microplastics. Especially in our home state of California, there is a large demand for alternatives to currently existing plastic products. However, the fishing industry, despite contributing to 75% of all floating plastic in the ocean, is currently void of a fully environmentally safe product. And that's where BioLure comes in. We offer a 100% biodegradable alternative to SPLs without compromising on flexibility or strength of the lure, at a price comparable to its plastic counterpart that is proven to catch fish. BioLure is the future of sustainable fishing and keeping our marine ecosystems healthy while still enjoying the sport we love. There are currently multiple companies that offer a similar concept as the BioLure. However, there are many key differences that differentiate our design. Firstly, the competition's lure all take a much longer time to actually degrade with regular use and will still pose short-term problems for marine life. The competition doesn't necessarily advertise the environmental safety of the product due to the biodegradability being more of a gimmick more than an actual selling point. Our idea finds a hole in the market and caters to fishermen who care about the environment while also not deterring any potential customers based off of an unreasonable price.
Now, as this graph, we can see the current state of the fishing lure industry and the comparison of Berkeley Fishing Lures, which is a popular fishing lure company, versus other smaller fishing lure companies. Using 7 key factors, we are able to analyze these companies on a scale of 1 through 10. The problem with current traditional SPLs is the fact that they are all very similar and come with extreme impacts to the environment. As we can see, the quality of Berkeley Fishing Lures is much higher than smaller companies, as expected, but imagine if you could have something with the same quality as Berkeley Fishing Lures and also be environmentally friendly. This graph illustrates the current and anticipated customer base for BioLures. Current customers are already aware and interested in using our products, while in Tier 1, potential customers are environmentally conscious anglers who are easily attracted to sustainable options like BioLures. Tier 2 consists of non-customers who refrain from fishing due to environmental concerns, but BioLures offers a solution that could change their perspective. Tier 3 represents untapped customers, which we aim to reach through a partnership with Friends of Fish, led by Landon Doss, to educate both children and adults on sustainable fishing practices and promote BioLures as an eco-friendly alternative, thereby expanding our market reach. The total addressable market for SPLs is sitting at $3 billion, with 3% of the market making up partially biodegradable lures, consisting of some form of plastisol. Considering that 2/3 of SPLs are purchased for bass and trout fishing, our serviceable attainable market would be $60 million, with the early adopters making up $8 million. In our ERRC graph, we can easily see the differentiation of BioLure from the typical soft plastic lures. The main elimination from SPLs that BioLure solves is the environmental problems such as harmful greenhouse gas emissions from the creation of plastic, as well as the waste into marine ecosystems. Additionally, we reduce the hate towards the fishing community and damage in our marine environments. The thing that makes our product different is the fact that it is the same quality as a normal soft plastic lure while also being biodegradable, something that has never been done before. By creating this product, we open the market to a larger customer market as well as an environmentally friendly option to keep fishing sustainable. The 2B canvas shows the comparability of BioLure to other traditional fishing lures. As we can see, in the factors that BioLure competes with other fishing lures, it is easily comparable to big fishing lure companies such as Berkeley Lures. What makes our product unique is the 3 new factors that it opens to, including the biodegradability factor, the carbon neutral factor, and the petroleum-free factor. All 3 of these factors are things that are specifically unique to the BioLure, opening the customer pool as well as creating a better option compared to existing options.
We currently have a working product for BioLure. The actual product being sold is the formula for the lure, which can be injected or poured into any SPL mold with varying densities, strengths, and flexibilities depending on the ratio of materials. We found that a material mixture including gelatin, glycerin, calcium carbonate powder, and water provided for the best consistency and flexibility, and that heating the mixture would bind the monomers in these materials into a polymer, mimicking the consistency and flexibility of an SPL's petroleum-based polymer formula. We tested the formula with a homemade testing rig, as well as lures that we designed using computer-aided design software that have proven to beat out a standard SPL in flexibility and strength while being fully biodegradable at a 25% upcharge. We are currently selling standard plastic SPLs on our website, landonslures.com, and we plan to use this business to include the BioLure variant of our many already proven design lures. The BioLure bridges the ever-widening gap between environmentalism and fishing that is one that is necessary to be filled in our ever-changing world. The BioLure is ahead of its time for the fishing industry, and it captures an aspect of the market that has gone untapped for far too long. Thank you for listening.